More people are choosing natural cleaning products. They want safer options for their families and the planet. Essential oils are becoming a popular choice. These oils offer a natural way to clean and freshen homes. Essential oils are powerful plant extracts. They have antibacterial and antiviral properties. These oils can disinfect surfaces and purify the air. This makes them a great alternative to harsh chemicals. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Traditional cleaning products often contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals are designed to break down dirt and grime, but they can also have unintended side effects on our health and the environment. When we use these products, we may not realize that we are exposing ourselves to substances that can be harmful when inhaled or absorbed through the skin. The strong fumes can irritate our respiratory system, leading to coughing, sneezing, and even long-term respiratory issues. Additionally, these chemicals can trigger allergies, irritate skin, and cause respiratory problems. People with sensitive skin or pre-existing conditions like asthma are particularly vulnerable to these effects. Essential oils offer a gentler approach to cleaning. Derived from plants, these oils harness the natural properties of herbs, flowers, and fruits to create effective cleaning solutions without the harsh side effects. They are non-toxic and biodegradable, making them a safer choice for both your home and the environment. Essential oils break down naturally, reducing the chemical load on our water systems and soil. Using essential oil cleaners can reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. This not only benefits your health but also creates a safer space for your family, including children and pets who are more susceptible to chemical exposure. This promotes a healthier home environment. A clean home free from toxic chemicals can lead to better overall well-being, allowing you to enjoy your living space without worry. Many essential oils have therapeutic properties. For instance, lavender and peppermint oils are not only great for cleaning but also offer additional health benefits. Lavender oil promotes relaxation and calmness. Its soothing scent can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect addition to your cleaning routine, especially in spaces where you unwind. Tea tree oil is known for its antiseptic and antifungal properties. It can effectively disinfect surfaces, making it an excellent choice for kitchens and bathrooms where hygiene is paramount. Using these oils for cleaning can have a positive impact on your mood and well-being. The pleasant aromas of essential oils can uplift your spirits, making cleaning a more enjoyable task. Plus, knowing that you are using safe natural products adds peace of mind. Traditional cleaning products contribute to environmental pollution. Many contain chemicals that are toxic to aquatic life. The packaging also adds to landfills. Essential oils are a sustainable and biodegradable alternative. They break down naturally in the environment. This reduces pollution and protects ecosystems. You can further minimize your environmental impact by using reusable cleaning cloths and spray bottles. Making your own cleaners allows you to control the ingredients and reduce waste. Creating your own essential oil cleaners is easy, cost-effective, and a great way to ensure you're using natural ingredients in your home. Not only do these cleaners smell amazing, but they also harness the powerful properties of essential oils to help keep your home clean and fresh. Here are 2 simple recipes to get you started. The first recipe is perfect for general surface cleaning and can be used on countertops, tables, and other hard surfaces. 1 cup water, half a cup white vinegar. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant and helps to cut through grease and grime. 10 drops lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil not only adds a fresh, citrusy scent, but also has antibacterial and antiviral properties. 5 drops tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is known for its powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties, making it a great addition to your cleaning solution. Combine all ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well to ensure everything is mixed thoroughly. Spray on surfaces and wipe clean with a cloth or sponge. This solution is great for everyday cleaning and leaves your home smelling fresh and clean. The second recipe is ideal for tougher cleaning jobs, such as in the bathroom or kitchen, where you need a bit more scrubbing power. 1 cup water, half a cup white vinegar. Again, the vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant and helps to break down tough stains and grime. 1/4 cup baking soda. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that helps to scrub away dirt and stains without scratching surfaces. 10 drops tea tree essential oil. The antiseptic properties of tea tree oil make it perfect for cleaning areas prone to mold and mildew. 5 drops lavender essential oil. Lavender oil not only adds a pleasant floral scent, but also has antibacterial properties. combine water, vinegar, and essential oils in a spray bottle. Shake well to mix all the ingredients. Sprinkle baking soda on surfaces that need extra scrubbing power, such as sinks, tubs, and tiles. Then, spray the solution over the baking soda. Let sit for a few minutes to allow the solution to break down grime and stains. Then, scrub with a sponge or brush and rinse thoroughly with water. This method is effective for removing soap scum, hard water stains, and other tough residues. By using these DIY essential oil cleaners, you can reduce your reliance on commercial cleaning products that often contain harsh chemicals. Plus, you can customize the scents and ingredients to suit your preferences and needs. Popular essential oils for cleaning. Essential oils have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties, and now they are becoming increasingly popular for their cleaning capabilities. Let's explore some of the most effective essential oils for keeping your home clean and fresh. Lemon essential oil is a natural degreaser and disinfectant. Its high acidity makes it perfect for cutting through grease and grime, making it an excellent choice for kitchen cleaning. It leaves a fresh, clean scent that can brighten up any room. The invigorating aroma of lemon not only makes your home smell wonderful, but also uplifts your mood. Tea tree essential oil is a powerful antimicrobial agent. Known for its strong antiseptic properties, it is highly effective in killing bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes it an ideal choice for disinfecting surfaces in your bathroom and kitchen, ensuring a hygienic environment. Lavender essential oil has antibacterial properties and a calming aroma. Its gentle yet effective nature makes it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. It is great for freshening linens and creating a relaxing atmosphere. Spraying lavender-scented solutions on your linens can help you unwind and promote better sleep. These are just a few of the many essential oils that can be used for cleaning. Other popular options include eucalyptus, peppermint, and rosemary, each bringing their unique benefits to your cleaning routine. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorite scents and cleaning solutions. By mixing and matching, you can create custom blends that not only clean effectively, but also make your home smell amazing. Embrace the natural power of essential oils and transform your cleaning routine today. Before we move on, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Essential oils versus chemical cleaners. Essential oil cleaners can be just as effective as traditional chemical cleaners for everyday cleaning tasks. They are a natural and safer alternative. Chemical cleaners often contain harsh ingredients that can be harmful to health. Essential oils offer a gentler approach while still providing effective cleaning power. While essential oils are generally safe, it's important to use them properly. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier before use. Avoid contact with eyes and mucous membranes. Safety and precautions. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil or water before use. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can irritate the skin if used undiluted. Keep essential oils out of reach of children and pets. Store them in a cool, dark place. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult with their doctor before using essential oils. In conclusion, a natural choice. Essential oils offer a natural and effective way to clean your home. They provide a safer alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. By making your own essential oil cleaners, you can create a healthier home environment for you and your family. Embrace the power of nature and experience the many benefits of cleaning with essential oils. Embrace a healthier home. Transitioning to natural cleaning products is a positive step towards a healthier lifestyle. Essential oils offer a versatile and effective way to clean your home without harsh chemicals. Start by incorporating essential oils into your cleaning routine today. Your home will be cleaner, fresher, and healthier for it. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing that you are creating a safe and healthy environment for yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.